What's going on YouTube? Here I'm back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a new pre-sale called Calypso, which is sponsored by Supermoon. They were the creators of this token pre-sale. So I want to go in depth in today's video discussing both Supermoon as well as Calypso, whether or not it's a good investment opportunity or something to stay away from. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's episode. Alright guys, so I want to give a huge shout out to Calypso for sponsoring today's episode. So before we dive into the video directly, I just want to give out a statement basically out there with every video I make, especially ones that focus on one cryptocurrency in specific. Definitely make sure to do your own research. Every cryptocurrency has its risks when investing, and the purpose of this video is to spread awareness of this cryptocurrency specifically as a potential investment opportunity, as well as because it's very new to the crypto space. So whether you do your own research on YouTube or you do it on the internet, definitely just make sure to never invest in anything that you're not comfortable with and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With all that being said, now let's finally talk about Supermoon and Calypso. Alright, so to catch you guys up on the Calypso pre-sale, which will take place on Unicrypt on July 31st of 2021, I want to first introduce to you the creators of this token, which I've already mentioned before. So basically that is Supermoon. Supermoon is a deflationary token on the Binance Smart Chain. Some of you may have heard of this as it's already listed on the coin market cap, but the coin features a 10% transaction tax split as a weighted distribution between holders, automatic liquidity pool generation, and a marketing wallet. So in recent years, the crypto market, as we know, has had a huge impact on global finance. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum have been used to solve complex economic issues in today's world, and the recent surge in popularity of altcoins has made the crypto space even more accessible to everyday people. So altcoins such as Doge have pretty much demonstrated that there is a fast market for communities backing certain cryptocurrencies or crypto tokens, and Supermoon aims to utilize that gap in this market by bridging together the strongest community in the crypto space and giving them a healthy ecosystem of financial tools, social networking, as well as entertainment opportunities and wealth generation. For those that also want a little bit more in-depth information on Supermoon, it's basically a frictionless yield generation BEP20 token, and their mission is simple: to show the world that a strong community can take an altcoin from obscurity to becoming a global force to be reckoned with, similar to Doge and even Shiba Inu. So now that you know the backstory to Calypso, which is Supermoon, the creators behind it, let me explain the importance of the Calypso token. So I'm sure a lot of you are probably wondering exactly what Calypso token is if you haven't already heard of it. Well, Calypso is a foundational support currency in the Supermoon lunar system. What does that mean? As a foundational support currency, the token will help create a continuously rising price floor for Supermoon, something that we've talked about in the past, price floors and price ceilings. Now, while rewarding its holders through lucrative BNB dividends on every transaction, their mission in mind is to set a goal for future space missions, donating to space exploration through Supermoon's Dare to Dream Big Foundation. Instead of relying on donations, Calypso uses BNB dividends it gains in dedicated charity wallets to sponsor astronaut scholarships and further their story of space exploration. So there are a few benefits I do want to talk about overall, as well as tokenomics, as well as distribution. Calypso token holders are not only rewarded through static rewards in BNB, but also through the automatic buyback process built into every contract. And also a tax is applied on every transaction, and part of that tax is redistributed to all Calypso holders in BNB token. So earning them as passive income for just holding onto their tokens. Not too bad. The buyback process automatically buys back and burns Calypso tokens after every sell, and this reduces the amount of tokens in circulation. So that would ultimately help with how many tokens are in circulation, their overall amount, as well as how the price would, slowly increase on the price floor. So the tokenomics are as follows. 12% is taxed on all transactions, which is broken down into 5% BNB dividends to holders, 3% buybacks for whales, 4% to Supermoon, and this private sale will help raise funds for the development of the 5 products, including the Supermoon Launchpad. The private sale wallet will also be used after the pre-sale and public market launch through the Supermoon escrow system. So now to get into the distribution, it's broken down into 20%, which will be burned, 30% which will be for private sale, 40% for obviously circulation supply, and the rest of the 10% will go into their charity wallet. So as you guys know, hopefully by now, Calypso is a fairly reputable project started by a team that has a good track record behind them and are fully doxed. The Supermoon development team will not have any tokens, which is also a good sign. So besides that, I do also want to talk about a cool thing that they're doing for promotion. So it seems like there's quite a bit of traction around this cryptocurrency as a whole, and to my surprise, I've been in New York City a few times, and I just wanted to show you guys a cool photo that was sent to me showing the Calypso project. So basically what they've been doing is marketing it in New York City Times Square from the 22nd to the 25th of this month, and you can definitely be sure to check it out in the city if you're there, but check out these really cool photos that they have. And even though this year has been pretty much the cryptocurrency boom and altcoin season, we are in a downtrend and a bear market for the past couple of months. But as you guys can see, taking notice on the CoinGecko current coin market cap for Supermoon as a whole, they actually had quite a bit of reaction when they did actually launch in the market. You can see here upon release date, they had $2.7 million flowing in and out in just volume over the course of just a couple of days. Obviously, as markets slowed down and altcoin season came to an end, volume did decide to dip down, but you can't look at this as a bad thing for this cryptocurrency. As with all altcoins, volume did dip down overall for all cryptocurrencies, so I'm not surprised that we did see this decline. It's really how do they handle this bear market and will they recover from this moving forward. I do know that this cryptocurrency hasn't been out for that long, but if this does go well and in the near future, if we can continue to see growth and development as they're doing with Calypso, we can hopefully see some positive results from this currency. As usual, definitely make sure to join their community on Discord and their Telegram group, which I've linked in the description down below. Check it out, join it, dip your toe in it and test it out. If it's for you, go for it. If it's not for you, so be it. And if you guys have any other experiences with Calypso or Supermoon, definitely make sure to comment it down below. You can also follow them on their social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, as well as Instagram. This is to help you basically stay up to date with the projects and see how they're doing. Otherwise, huge shout out to Supermoon and Calypso for sponsoring today's episode, as well as make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.